Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off open links in your in-app on your LinkedIn app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this picture here on app, then it's going to show for you a window like this. Then you just click here on settings and you come to settings window here, just waiting to show for your window like this, and you click here on account preferences. Then you come to next window here, then you just go down here and you come here to open web links in app, you will click here. Then you come here to open web links in app, you will just click here on this sign here, and like you see sign it's gone, or this color it's gone, that's mean open web links in app it's turned off now. I wish know you agree with that's all. So just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.